This vlog is a reflection on our class period yesterday with our research librarian. Everything we learned was helpful in one form or another. I was able to find both books and articles to help further my research into my essay's topic on domestic violence. For example, I was able to locate a book within the library about psychology related to domestic violence, and a related search term could have been family violence or child abuse. Well, however, the book was checked out. For finding articles, it was easier to use databases from the MSU library or the state library, state of Michigan e-library, other than Google. And you also can narrow down the particular databases you can be using, such as medicine, psychology, or large general ones such as Gale or ProQuest. The search parameters are very similar to the ones while searching for books. For example, I was able to search the physical effects of domestic violence against children, give or take of different variations. And I was able to find, I think my last article I wanted to use for my paper in ProQuest, which later on took me on to say journals. It is called The Role of Adolescent Physical Abuse and Adult Intimate Partner Violence by Sunday, Klein, Labrina, Pelkovez, Selzinger, and Kaplan. This particular article is 17 pages, and it is a scholarly resource written by experts in the field. And before this class period, I was able to find 3 other scholarly resources or 3 or 4 scholarly resources that I either plan on or help give me a better understanding of what's going on within my subject. And I used sort of the same search techniques that I used yesterday during class. I do believe that having or more than one outside resource will help strengthen my claim and provide more information and understanding to my various claims, as well as provide evidence of what currently is going on with the victims of domestic abuse or domestic violence, as well as a possible insight for those inflicting the violence. Every outside source that I have found or and as I continued to write my paper later on dismissed, each of them has gave me a better understanding of how I want to express my claims and where I want to continue on with this paper. Going in, I really didn't know how I wanted to narrow down or express certain topics, and finding 4 sources that I did help me with that. The particular pieces that I have selected do help strengthen my essay in one point or another, but they also help me explain what's going on inside the psychology behind what went on with the characters inside The Bluest Eye, Push, and Women at Point Zero.